Dovly features, strengths, weaknesses. Dovly is an automated credit repair platform targeting individuals with common credit errors and limited financial literacy who prefer a hands-off approach. Key features revolve around its AI-powered dispute automation. Once connected to your credit reports via Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, Dovly identifies potentially inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable negative items. The algorithm then automatically generates and sends dispute letters on your behalf, escalating disputes as necessary according to a pre-programmed strategy. A core strength lies in its user-friendly interface, accessible through both web and mobile apps. The simplicity is a huge draw for beginners intimidated by traditional credit repair processes. Dovly also offers credit monitoring, providing alerts for changes in your credit reports and scores. Price is structured in tiered monthly subscriptions. The Core plan handles basic disputes, while the Platinum plan includes more aggressive dispute strategies and access to VantageScore tracking. However, let's address the weaknesses. Firstly, automation isn't always a superior strategy. Dovly's reliance on algorithms may miss nuanced inaccuracies that a human analyst would identify. Furthermore, while the Platinum plan boasts VantageScore tracking, lenders primarily use FICO scores, making this feature less valuable. Another potential downside is the lack of personalized advice. Dovly provides minimal guidance on credit-building strategies beyond dispute resolution. This can be a significant limitation for users needing comprehensive support to improve their overall creditworthiness. Also, the automated dispute letters, while convenient, can appear generic and potentially less effective than tailored disputes. In terms of who Dovly is really for, it's ideal for users with relatively straightforward credit profiles and limited time who understand the basics of credit scoring and are primarily seeking efficient error correction. It's not the right fit for individuals with complex credit situations like bankruptcies, charge-offs, or those requiring personalized financial coaching. Dovly's value proposition hinges on convenience and ease of use. Is it the most powerful credit repair tool available? No. But it efficiently addresses common credit report inaccuracies, especially for those new to the process. Ultimately, whether Dovly is worthwhile depends on your individual needs and expectations. If you're seeking a set-it-and-forget-it solution for basic credit errors and value convenience over customized expertise, Dovly could be a suitable option. Just remember that supplementing Dovly with proactive credit-building habits and potentially seeking personalized advice when needed will yield the best long-term results.